evening to everyone, to the users, to Ma'am Loyola. Today, we're gonna present our final project from our subjects, application development and database. We have created a system called IB System, also known as IB Systems Island Boys. And with me, along with my crew, I am Ivan Gabriel Sabangan.
And I am Nico Simeon Membranica.
I'm Bradley Aguado.
And Stephen Tambot.
We have created a system that provides products for home appliances and give the user the option to choose from appliances needed for their home. It consists of a login page where the user needs to log in information for them to purchase a product. It also has the records of the customer and their selected products. We have used Visual Studio to be our front end and MS Access as our back end. The system forms will be discussed by us, and the description and its functions. The first form is the login form. It consists of the sign in button, the admin sign in, and the join us button or the register button. If you click the register button, you will see that the register form gives the user a chance to give a membership plan that can help them purchase from our store. It helps the register form collects data on users in our system. It consists of the login form, which includes username, password, the personal information, first name, last name, date of birth, age, and the address book, which includes the region, city, district, street, building name, and the email address. Going back to the login form, if you sign in to the invalid username and password, a message will appear and will say that the invalid username and password, please try again. And if you sign in with the created username and password, it will go to the following form that will be discussed by our own Bradley Aguado.
Thank you, Mr. Sabangan. Good evening. My name is Bradley Aguado, and I'm here to discuss the transaction, payment, and delivery options. As you can see here in our form, we have 3 different options for our home appliances. The first one is the refrigerator, the second is laundry appliances, and the last is air solutions. If you click one of the buttons to choose which appliances you want, it will bring you to the form that contains the given appliances. For example, if you click refrigerator, it will bring you there to choose which type of refrigerator you want. It will show the description and prices of the given appliances. Before you check out, you must choose how many you want. If you do not choose the number of your desired product, the message "please add at least one item" will appear. After clicking the checkout button, it will bring you to the next one, which is the payment and delivery options. This is where you will fill out a form regarding your personal information to determine where we can deliver your products and ask for your cell phone number so we can contact you whenever the product is available for delivery. On the right side, you can also see that the payment mode has 3 options: GCash, Maya, and credit or debit card. Below is the payment number where you will enter the mobile or card number you will pay us. Lastly, the order summary will show you your order's detail. If you click checkout, it will show the message, "Thank you for purchasing," and it will show you to the next form, which Mr. Abrenica will discuss.
Thank you, Mr. Aguado. In this part, it is the order receipt of our very user. First is we can see the order ID of our user, first name, last name, address, city, barangay, phone number, and appliances. And appliances prices, quantity, payment mode, and payment number. And of course, the total amount of how many the sum of the users have bought. And if we click the confirm button, it will have a message box that says thank you, receipt is confirmed. And if we click the close button, this is where the whole system exits. Thank you. Let's proceed to Mr. Stifford.
Now we will log into the admin dashboard, which contain the modify data button, which admin can search ID, add, update, and delete user data. Order button is the total sales, which is the sum of all confirmed orders. Audit trail button is our audit trail, which is the source of the records that provide documentary evidence of activities, which contain admin logs, user logs, date and time, and it is automatically audit when the buyer and admin log into our system. Next presenter is Abrenica.
Thank you, Mr. Tambot. This part where the file maintenance module is used, this module is, we can see if you click the view users, it will show the users that registered in our system or in our island home system. And on the right side of that is the view audit trail. This is where the admin logins can be seen and seen the time, date, and the name of the admin. And over on the left side is the update receipts of the users. This is where the part of all the confirmed receipt is saved, and on the right side of that is the view order details. This is where the details of your order is being saved and documented. Thank you. Let's go back to Mr. Tambot.
Backup database. This is the process of backing up the operational state in a stored database. Software is known as database backup. It allows for the creation of a duplicate instance or a copy of a database in the event that the primary database fails or becomes corrupted or lost. In the Restore Database button, it restores a database that was backup using our backup file, and the restored database is in the same state as when the backup was created. And lastly, the sign out, which will go back to the login page. And the last part, Evan.
Thank you guys for your brief explanation of our system, and thank you for all the users who listened with us until the end. For those who want to register to our store, please register into our system, the Island Bois, the IB system, and for all the first 10 customers who will register will have a discount of 10%. Thank you guys, and God bless.